What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be doing this function here. I hope you guys are ready to do this one. If you think you can do this one, guys, you can pause this video and do it, and let's see if your answer is going to be the same as the one that I will be having at the end of this video. If you are new on this channel, welcome to the channel. I would say to you, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, because when I upload a new video, that notification is gonna notify you as soon as I upload, so you don't want to miss these videos. Anyway, if you want to learn about other chapters that I've already done, you can go to the playlist section of this channel and go and watch those videos, because I've done lots and lots of videos on trigonometry, other um, integrals, differentiation, and so on and so on. You can go to the playlist section, guys, and watch it. So let's do this one, guys. Let's see if you can able to do this one. So before you do this one, guys, I would say first simplify this exponent here. As you can see, we have 2 to the power of negative 2x plus 3. So this here, this exponent, you can separate it using the exponent law. Remember the exponent law, where you can say a maybe to the power of n plus, let's just say plus m. You can go back and say a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n. As you can see, this and that is the same. So we can do the same thing here, guys. We can do the same thing. So let's try to do it here. So there we go. Now let's do it here. We can say 2 to the power of negative 2x, then multiply by, remember, this is gonna be 2 to the power of 3, and then divide by 4, right? All right, so dx here. So as you can see, 2 to the power of 3 is actually a number, which is 8, and then this is 4. So this, they can divide each other, but we just continue. Well, it's up to you here. You can also do 2 to the power of 2, right? But rather do it this way. I think it's way much better this way, right? So we can say 2 to the power of negative 2x, right? And then we say 2 to the power of 3, which is going to be 8 divided by 4, right? Dx, right? Do not forget, as long as we are simplifying, the s and the dx, they don't they remain here, guys. Okay, the sigma and the dx here they remain here. All right, guys, so let's find let's continue. So you say 4 into 8, you're gonna be left with 2. Can I write that 2 here? So you're gonna be left with 2, right? Multiply by what is remaining here, which is 2 to the power of negative 2x. So this is our simplified version of this function here. So let's find the integral of this thing here. So guys, you need to use the integral formula for exponential for exponential function. So let's do it here. So it's going to be sigma, and then a to the power of nx, and then the integral of this, remember this is an exponent function, right? The integral of this function is going to be a to the power of n x divided by n, then natural log a plus c. This is the formula, guys, we use to find the integral of exponent. Just in case you're not so sure how it works, I made a video here that will pop up here. This video explains the application of this formula here. All right, okay, so let's continue from there. Let's use this formula to integrate this. So I'm gonna write it here. I'm gonna continue here. From here I'm continuing there. So we're gonna have our coefficient, which is 2 here, and then we're gonna integrate this function here. Now you're gonna write it as it is, because you have a, which is 2 here, to the power of n, our n, which is negative 2, and then x. But then this is gonna be divided. Remember, it's n multiplied by natural log a. So our n, which is negative 2, There we go. And then natural log, what is a? A is the base, which is 2. All right, so if you continue like this, guys, if you continue like this, you can see this 2 and that 2, they're gonna give you 1 when you divide them. But this one was negative, so you're gonna be left with negative here. So what you left with here on the numerator, you're gonna left with 2 to the power of negative 2x over natural log 2. Right, but remember guys, I always suggest that, oh, I forgot plus c here, guys. Do not forget plus c. Remember, we are integrating, by the way. Remember, plus c means constant, or also indicates that these are indefinite integrals. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. Almost forgot. By the way, remember guys, I always suggest that do not leave your answer with the negative exponents. So let's try to get rid of this negative here. So how do we do it? Usually we just move the, remember we have negative here, okay? Usually we just move the base to the denominator. So our base here, which is 2, and then our exponent now will change the sign. It's going to be 2x. And then we have what? Natural log 2 plus c. So this is our final answer. I hope you guys managed to understand this one. It's not really that tricky. In fact, the challenging part could be this part here, where you have to break this exponent. Remember, you're going to use this law from exponents, and then you break it like that. Then from there you just divide the numbers, and then you're going to be left with 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of negative 2x. Then from there you start the integration, and then this is going to lead you there. I hope guys this managed to help you to understand this type of questions. If you come across this question, I hope you will have a clue to do it. And at the same time guys, I hope you share these videos to your friends, and don't forget to like the videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I'm making video on mathematics, and do not forget to hit the bell icon there, so that whenever I upload, you can able to see the video as soon as I upload it. Guys, at the end of this video, there is a playlist that will appear here. That playlist is filled with videos of exponential integrals. Go and watch those videos on that playlist in a sequence order for better understanding. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.